Wouldn't it be ideal to generate your energy management program automatically, not just for Siemens devices, but also for devices from other manufacturers? That's just what the SIMATIC Energy Suite in the TIA portal can do. You can automatically generate your entire energy management program, and you can visualize and even archive your energy data. What's more, you can seamlessly integrate the energy data in higher-level energy management systems like the SIMATIC Energy Manager Pro. This provides energy transparency, which lays the foundation for energy savings. And to show you how it works, I've brought along a small test configuration. The fan heater symbolizes the load, which is connected to an energy meter, a small energy measuring module for the ET200 SP station. The energy data is acquired in a S7-1500 controller. As an alternative to the energy meter, you can also use other measuring systems like a Centron pack or measuring and automation products, including molded case circuit breakers, frequency converters, motor management systems, or even measuring systems from third-party manufacturers. The energy consumption of the fan heater is visualized in the TP1200 comfort panel. And now I'll show you how the whole thing works in the TIA portal. There's already a comfort panel in my project. This is where we'll want to visualize the energy consumption. A controller where the energy consumption is processed and an energy meter that measures the energy consumption. Only the current transformer ratio needs to be adjusted in the energy meter, as well as the cyclical user data. These have already been configured here. Now we would like to create an energy object for our fan heater. To do this, we'll go into the controller, to the Energy Objects menu item. There we'll create the energy objects in the energy object tables, similar to symbol tables. For the fan heater, we'll simply need to specify the name of the measuring point and where the measuring point is coming from. The name is heater, and the source is the energy meter that we have in our project. There I simply browse my hardware devices, which are located in my project, or to the variables or software blocks in the controller. Then I only need to specify the following: what should be archived and at what period. I choose a value of 15 minutes. Now all I have to specify is, where should the whole thing be archived? To do this, I go into my energy program settings. Archiving is possible on the controller or at a higher level with WinCC Professional, which is also where the communication is cached. We're going to be archiving on the controller. Now I can generate my entire energy management program. The controller is still empty. Now I right-click on Energy Objects, Generate Energy Program. In an instant, all program blocks from my controller are generated automatically. Under the controller, you'll see the folder Energy Suite Program, and in that folder, under the folder Energy Objects, we'll find our fan heater. Now we'll want to visualize the energy consumption of the fan heater. To do this, we'll go into our comfort panel and integrate the visualization. You can download the visualization from online support. The library contains visualization objects for comfort panels, WinCC Runtime Advanced, and WinCC Runtime Professional. I integrate a typical in my project, which indicates the current energy and power consumption. I click on it to open up a pop-up. I drag the pop-up out of the library and into my visualization. The pop-up also includes variables that I can simply drag out of the library into my project. Now all I need to do is connect the visualization object with function blocks out of my controller. I also assign the name heater to my energy object, and now I connect the object with my function blocks in the controller, which the SIMATIC Energy Suite has automatically created for me. The function blocks comprise the metadata. It contains the name of the unit of the measuring point, for example, and the basic energy data. I take the basic energy data and connect it via drag and drop to my visualization element. Now I've linked my visualization. I am now doing the same with my pop-up. Here I have to mark all the elements in my pop-up and then connect them to the variables of the fan heater. I mark all the elements and now specify these elements should be connected to my fan heater variable. Now I simply have to load my controller and my HMI panel. I'll load my controller. Once the controller has been successfully loaded, I load my HMI panel. Now we switch on the fan heater to see what happens. I switch on the fan heater at the maximum setting, and we can see in the visualization the current power consumption of 2 kilowatts. If I now press on the one element, the graphic curve opens up, and we also can see a change in the power consumption. Now we've integrated the energy management in the visualization and can connect the energy data to higher level systems, like the SIMATIC Energy Manager Pro. As you can see, we've efficiently realized and easily implemented our energy management in the TA portal. Most of it was even generated automatically. And that's transparent operation in the TA portal.